Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Our Everyday Getaway. In this video, we are going to share with you the chance to save some money when you're RVing. So whether you're a full-timer or a part-timer, you want to check out this video. We got some valuable information for you.
This is our everyday getaway, living the life, come what may. We'll show you the world full of colors and cheer. Join us on this journey, our vision is clear. No looking back, your two dreams hit the open road. Let's make some memories, lighten the load. This is our everyday getaway, living the life, come what may.
Hey everyone, it's Chris Katrina with Our Everyday Getaway. Welcome back to the channel. Today we want to talk to you about something that can really make a difference in how you travel, how you save, and how confident you'll feel on the road. Now, Katrina and I recently partnered with Blue Compass RV dealership, and we're going to share with you this program they have. It's called the RV Complete Club. Now, for anyone exploring this amazing country, it's one of those memberships that can actually pay for itself many times over. So stay tuned.
What actually is RV Complete? It's actually a nationwide membership designed to help RVers travel with confidence and save money. It makes life on the road just a little bit easier. You can get this great membership for $39 a year.
Yeah, $39. Right? It's like $3.50 a month.
Yeah, it's great. You can unlock these full suite of benefits, from parts and service discounts to campground savings, fuel dump stations. Oh, best of all, almost forgot. It's powered by Blue Compass RV, one of the largest dealership networks in the country. They have over 100 dealerships in 33 states.
So what does that mean? What does that mean?
That means no matter where you travel, from Florida to Arizona to Maine to Montana, you're never far from Blue Compass location.
To help you out.
And they're ready to help at any
That's
time.
right.
Anytime you need them, they're ready to help.
So let's talk about the benefits. First, you'll get 10% off parts and accessories up to $200 per visit at a participating Blue Compass dealership. Now, if you're like us, you know there's always something that needs fixing or upgrading or tweaking on your RV. The 10% discount alone can easily pay for your membership several times over.
And we could have really used that this summer.
You'll also get complimentary access to dump stations, discounted propane refills, and if you travel often, those little fees add up fast. Then there's the campground network. You can save up to 20% at more than 500 campgrounds nationwide. So even if you save $10 a night after 1 week, you've already covered your membership costs. That's the kind of math Katrina likes.
There's a lot of truth to that. One of our favorite parts about the whole program is the fuel dump stations. There's a lot of discounts that you can get at your Love Travel stops.
And we love stopping at the Love's Travel Stop.
We do.
We do.
Absolutely, we do. There's actually over 600 Love's locations across the United States. And with your membership, you're going to get fuel savings on gas, on diesel, propane discounts, half price on dump stations. So if you need to dump your tank while you're there, half price on that. So while you're fueling up and you want to take a break, you're saving money too. That's the kind of win-win situation that Chris and I really like.
Yes, we do. Absolutely. Because it's all about saving and winning when you're traveling. But here's what we really love about this program. It's not just about discounts. It's about support. So if you've ever broken down in a strange town, right? And many of us have been there. Yeah. You needed a part and you couldn't find it. And you know how stressful that can be. With the RV Complete Club, you've got a built-in safety net, a nationwide network of over 100 service centers ready to get you back on the road. And that's the kind of peace of mind you want while you're traveling this country in your RV. Let's talk about the convenience, Katrina. Can you explain that for us?
I will.
Awesome.
Okay. So to me, it's very convenient. And you know me, I'm not really good with all the apps and stuff like that. But they do manage everything through their apps, through the RV Complete mobile, actually, the app to be specific. You can do it through your phone. You can do it through your laptop to find nearby partnering campgrounds. You can check discounts. You can locate dealerships. And you can actually manage your benefits all in one place. So there's no calling around, there's no digging through emails, and it's all right there, ready to use. And when you're traveling full time like we do, what do you think? That's the kind of simplicity that we like. It's gold.
It's gold.
It is gold.
I love that kind of
It
stuff.
is.
Anything, got to keep it simple, make it easy for you when you're out there traveling. Now, there's also something called the VIP membership. If you buy your RV through the Blue Compass RV dealership, you will automatically receive 1 full year of VIP membership. That's included in the purchase of your rig. This is basically the premium version of RV Complete Club. You'll get all the same discounts and benefits and 10% off parts and savings, campgrounds, and fuel savings. And you'll also get the full app access, plus a few upgrades that really make a difference when you're on the road. You'll receive 1 year membership to Thousand Trails, RV Life Pro Trip Planner, and RV Safe GPS. As a VIP member, you'll also get 24/7 roadside assistance, help locating service centers, and a dedicated support line for when things don't go as planned. No matter where you are or what time it is, there's someone you can call who understands RVs, not just cars. And for new RVers, that's huge. It's like having a trusted friend in the passenger seat, someone who's been there, done that, and can help guide you through the unexpected life of RV travel, because that kind of stuff will happen.
Now, here's why we think a membership like this matters. When you're living this lifestyle, you know, when you're out chasing sunsets and you're meeting new people, you're exploring new places, every bit of savings helps. It helps you stay on the road longer. It isn't just about the dollars and cents, it's about the confidence. It's knowing wherever you go, you have the support system, you have resources, and you're part of the nationwide RV community. That's what you want to see when you're rolling out there on these roads and these highways.
And with Blue Compass RV having 100 dealerships in 33 states, that support network is massive. If you ever need service or repairs, chances are you'll be close to one of their locations. And here's what's great. They already know who you are through your membership. That's next level customer care. So whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-timer like us, the RV Complete Club is one of those smart, affordable memberships that make RV life easier, cheaper, and a lot less stressful. For just $39 a year, it's an easy yes. And if you're buying your rig through Blue Compass RV, make sure you ask about the VIP membership. Your first year is already included, and it gives you access to the best of what RV Complete offers. So next time you're fueling up, setting up camp, or planning your next route, think about how much smoother life can be with the RV Complete in your corner. And once again, that's $39 a year. That breaks down to, I think, a little more than $3.50 a month. That's nothing. That's less than a cup of coffee, especially those of you who like your expensive coffee.
You use it one time and you've paid for your service.
Exactly. And we like to do these videos to kind of give you guys some insight, anything you could do to save. You don't have to center your entire RV care on one package. This could be an addition to your RV tool package, if you will.
That's a good idea.
You got all these different, you can have all these different options. This is just another great option. So that way you have more flexibility, because once again, you never know where you'll be when you break down. And for all you know, there could be a Blue Compass RV dealership like right around the corner.
And that would have been amazing for us this summer. We could have actually really used this program. We didn't know about it then. We know about it now. Now we're signed up, we're joined, and hopefully we never have to use it. But we just have peace of mind that if we do, it's there, we're good to go.
Yeah. So there you have it. This will save you a lot of money, and we know how important it is for you guys when you're RVing to save as much money as you can. So saving money on diesel, fuel, saving money on propane, saving money on campgrounds,
Dump stations.
and saving money on service and parts.
Oh.
That's a beautiful thing when it comes to RV life. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel, where we do our best to share with you all kinds of tips and tricks, campgrounds, fuel stations,
savings,
membership programs, and come along for the ride.
Please come along for the ride.
And as we like to say here at our channel, any day you can get a membership that saves you money is a good day, but any day you can get away,
It's a great day, guys.
you guys take care.
See ya.